Bridges, marvels of human ingenuity, connecting not just places but people and ideas. From ancient rope structures swaying precariously over deep canyons to modern suspension bridges defying gravity, the story of bridges is a testament to human progress. But how did we get here? And what's next for these symbols of connection and innovation? Today, we're journeying through the evolution of bridges, one of humanity's greatest engineering achievements. The evolution of bridges, from ancient rope to modern marvels. Our story begins thousands of years ago with one of the simplest types of bridges, rope bridges. Found across ancient cultures, these bridges were often crafted from natural fibers like vines and were vital for crossing treacherous terrain. Fun fact: the Inca Empire maintained an extensive network of rope bridges across the Andes, some spanning up to 45 meters. Despite their simplicity, rope bridges were lifelines for communities. They connected remote villages and allowed the transport of goods, livestock, and people. However, their limitations were obvious. These bridges were fragile, unstable, and could collapse under heavy weight or strong winds. Yet, even today, some traditional communities maintain these ancient bridges, preserving a piece of history while showcasing human resilience and adaptability. Next, we travel to ancient Rome, a civilization that revolutionized bridge construction with stone arch bridges. While earlier cultures like the Greeks experimented with arches, it was the Romans who perfected this design, creating structures that could support immense weight and last for millennia. The secret to the arch's strength lies in its shape. Unlike a flat beam, which distributes weight directly downward, the arch redirects the force along its curve, dispersing it evenly to the ground. Fun fact: some Roman bridges, like the Pons Fabricius in Rome, have stood for over 2,000 years and are still in use today. These bridges were not just functional, they were monumental, symbolizing Rome's power, engineering prowess, and cultural influence. The rise of Gothic architecture. As the Roman Empire declined, bridge-building techniques evolved, influenced by the Gothic architecture of medieval Europe. Bridges became more than just pathways. They were architectural masterpieces adorned with statues, carvings, and pointed arches. One significant innovation was the pointed arch, which allowed for taller, more slender bridges that could span greater distances without collapsing under their weight. Gothic bridges were designed not just for functionality, but to inspire awe and reflect the grandeur of medieval society. The Industrial Revolution, metal and mechanics. Fast forward to the Industrial Revolution, the age of iron, steel, and steam. This era transformed bridge construction. No longer limited by stone and wood, engineers could now build longer, stronger, and more durable bridges using metal. Fun fact: the Iron Bridge, completed in 1781, was the first bridge made entirely of cast iron, marking the dawn of a new era in engineering. Steel, in particular, became the material of choice for its incredible strength-to-weight ratio. This allowed for the construction of longer suspension bridges, capable of spanning vast rivers and connecting cities. Suspension bridges, defying gravity. Perhaps the most iconic bridge design of the modern era is the suspension bridge. With their graceful arcs and towering cables, these bridges seem to defy gravity, effortlessly spanning vast distances. The key to their strength lies in their design. The weight of the bridge is transferred to the towers through the cables, allowing the bridge to remain stable even under heavy traffic or strong winds. Fun fact: the Golden Gate Bridge, completed in 1937, was the longest suspension bridge in the world for nearly 3 decades. Futuristic bridges, engineering the future. Today, bridge design is entering a new frontier. Engineers are experimenting with materials like carbon fiber and graphene, which are lighter and stronger than steel. Some future bridges may even feature adaptive technology, adjusting their structure in real time to withstand natural disasters or optimize traffic flow. The bridge between past and future. From simple rope crossings to futuristic marvels, bridges have always been more than just physical structures. They're symbols of progress, connection, and human ingenuity. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. Until next time, keep exploring the past to understand the future. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Let us know in the comments which bridge you'd like to visit.